Yeah, after CV mapping, this is the first class. Sarna, did you start the recording?
Yes, I have started the recording. You can start.
Yeah, first we need to check where we need to add this new entity type or UIBB. So for that, first go to NWBC screen. My browser is not supporting. Yeah, I'm going to add this new entity type in the BP customer. So for that, we need to check the BP customer role is available or not. Just command F customer. No, there is no role added to my user for the customer. So to add the customer role, go to SAP again. The T code to add the role to our user is PFCG. And here, if you want to know the roles related to MDG, so always try with the MDG star menu. So then click on F4 options, then click on OK. So you will find all the MDG related roles. So now we need to add MDG customer. So if you can observe, this is the recent highest one, MDGC menu, MDGC menu 03. So I'm taking the MDGC menu 04. Just double click on it. Click on display. So here go to user. So if you can observe, there is only one user is added, that is Vasu is admin. So my user is user 25. So to add that, click on edit mode on the left side corner. And here you have to give the user 25. Click on enter. Just save it and come to the NWBC screen again. Just refresh it. Yeah, at the bottom, if you can see SAP MDGC master data governance for customer menu, the role is added. So click on this. Click on search customer. Click on new organization and click on create customer. Click OK. Yeah, now my requirement would be like for this BP customer, I want to assign a one legal advisor to this BP customer. Whichever one BP is created, the BP one legal advisor will be need to be assigned. So for that, the legal advisor, the it's not standard one. So I'm going to add a new UIBB. I think all are aware of that UIBB, right? UIBB's full form is like universal internal building block. If you want to note it down, it's a universal internal building block. Is everyone able to see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, actually one of them not able to see. If you can go to NWBC screen again. So if you can observe, this is one UIBB. This change request and drop down, there is a fields, right? This is one UIBB and customer details. This is also one of the UIBB. ERP customers. This is one of the UIBB. Roles, one of the UIBB. So like this, I want to add one new UIBB, that is the customer legal data. And under that, I want to add one of the field, that is a legal advisor. So there we can assign one per one BP. We need to assign one legal advisor some name. So for that, the first step would be First, I will create a one new data element for that. If you can see my screen. So the first step would be create an one data element. So that is I will take it as a ZZ legal advisor. So to create the data element, T code would be SC11 slash n. Go to SC11, click on data type, Control V, and click on create. It's a data element. Click on OK. So I'm just taking the built-in type. First to give the description, custom field, legal advisor. Click on enter. I'm taking the built-in type. I will take character. Length I will take 30. Click on enter. Field. I'm checking the change document and go to field label. Just click on enter. Just check it. Same. Same the local object. Just check again. There is no inconsistencies. I'm just activating. Yeah, now I created the new data element. That is the first step is done. So then the next step is to add the entity type in the data model BP. So to add that, to go to data model, the T code would be MDG IMG. Go to classic mode in SAP MDG, general governance, general settings, data model, edit data model. Click on OK. Click on BP and go to entity types. Now here I'm going to create a new entity type, that is the type 4 entity type, the storage type 4 entity type, because for one BP I want to assign one legal advisor. So it depends on the type 1 entity type. So this is a lead 4 entity type. So it would be depend on type 1 entity type. So it's going to determine. So that's why I'm taking a type 4 entity type. So click on new entries here. I'm taking the same name, that is ZZ legal ADV. And storage type I'm taking as a type 4. I'm not maintaining anything here. Just description custom entity type. Click on enter. Then go to attributes. Click on new entries. The data element also I'm taking the same. Description will be legal, legal advisor. Just click on enter. Save. So there is a two errors are showing, that is the relationship of leading inconsistent, and another is a define a qualifying relationship or entity type. So as of now, ignore it, just save changes, click on OK, go back, go back, go back again. So click on this entity type and go to relationships. So I want to make a relationship from BP header to this whatever we added the new entity type. So that is the type 1 entity type to type 4 entity type. So for one BP, I want to only one legal advisor is existed. So I'm going to create a new farm UIBB. So this is the cardinality would be 1:1. So if in case of if you want to like for one BP, there is a multiple legal advisor. So then that time we have to go with the 1:n. So that time we need to create a list UIBB. Now I'm creating a farm UIBB. In next class, maybe I will show it how the list UIBB works. So just to follow the same steps for the creating farm UIBB. So go to new entries. So here from entity type is the lead, our type 1 entity type, that is a BP header. This relationship would be like custom field. So it's like user defined. I'm just taking BP2 ZZ legal, and here our entity type is ZZ legal advisor. And whenever the type any entity type is directly relationship with the lead one entity type, so the then relationship would be like leading and leading relationship. So then cardinality would be 1:1. Just click on enter. There is no errors. Just click on save. Type did legal advisor attribute of. Okay, I need to maintain the different names for the entity type and the attribute. To BP again, entity type, this entity type. I'm just copying this, deleting this. Click on enter, save it. There is no errors found. Just go back, click on BP and save it. So if you can observe, so the active version would be different. So we need to activate this. So first we need to check there is no inconsistencies. Then just click on activate. It might take some time. So before that, I'll show you the document if you want to write it down. So as of now, we did up to third point, that is the activate data model, that is 3B. Does anyone have any questions as of now? I think this is the first time we are activating the BP. Yeah, it might take some time. Yeah, the data model is activated without errors. Click on OK. Then adjust staging area for linked change request for BP. Select the BP. Click on this symbol and click on S. Click OK. Then we need to adjust the staging area. To adjust the staging area, go to SC38, program USMD, underscore adjust underscore staging. Click on F8 execute button. And here data model is BP. Click on execute. Yeah, I'm running this again to make sure that adjusted. So then the next step would be generate the data model specific structures. To generate the data model specific structures, the path would be mdg flashing mdg go to classic mode in SAP MDG, central governance, general settings, data modeling, edit data model. Sorry, not edit data model. Let's go back. In the same data modeling node, there is a generate data model specific structures. Click on this, click on OK, and then BP data model, go to structures. If you can search with our entity types, ZZ, legal, ADV, there is no structures found. So because we added the entity type custom, so we need to add the data model specific structures also custom. So we can add one by one. So otherwise, so just take the BP underscore header. I need to add PDF based forms, mapping of reuse activate area, search application, field properties for attributes, and the key fields. So I'm selecting all of them. Just click on copy. And here you need to give the our entity type, that is ZZ legal advisor. Copy this. Just click on enter. Save it. Just ignore it. Click on OK. Select all of them. Just go back. Position. ZZ legal advisor. Click on OK. Select all of them and generate selected structures. The structure cannot be generated. 1 second. Selecting all. Generate selected specific structures. BP and BP assigned price for jet legal advisor BP header. Click on generate data model specific structure again. Click on BP, go to structures. Scroll down. Nothing is added. Copying the jet legal advisor. Select four of go back. Click on generated selected structures. Yeah, it's generating the structures. Meanwhile, I will check the next steps. We also can maintain the different prefix name as per our requirements. So I'm just taking the standard MDG. Also, we can take the prefix like ZXX, something like that. It might take some time. Yes, successfully generated. Click on OK. To check these structures, go to SC11. You have to give mdg EP slash set for structures. So then we have to check with the Z legal. Uh, Click. Click on F4. Set for structures. Okay. Before that, I will adjusting the fading area. Go to AC38. SMD adjust staging. Click on execute. UBP. So today I will stop at the fifth point. So to just check the structure. So then tomorrow I will continue the same topic, that is creating the Genil model. So how the Genil model works. So then we need to define the UI model. So tomorrow we'll complete all of them. So today I will stop at the fifth point. At the final, we need to add the custom UIBB to BB and the